Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is May 22nd and the chart of the day for today is 10-year notes CN here. So we got the 10-year notes still under selling pressure right now. It's all over the news. There is a lot of issues with the auction of the bonds, and here is the 10-year. Okay, so you can see that we have what looks to be a 5 swing down from 112, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then now it makes new low below this previous low. So again, 5 swing is a motive sequence in the Elliott wave. What that means simply is that more downside is going to be expected because of the 5 swing. Okay, and currently we are within the wave 5, and within the wave 5 we are still only 3 swings down, so we should continue to see for the downside, and the selling pressure should continue to persist in the near term until we get a clear 5 waves down from here. Now once we finish a 5 waves down, that should finish with 5, and then we will get a bigger 3 waves rally against this 5 waves down here. Now if I zoom out onto the daily time frame, now we can see right here, let me put the X is right here, and this will be in the W here. So you have a 5 swing down or a 5 waves down here right now, and once that is finished, we should be getting, now once that 5 waves is finished, notice here we will break below the W, which will open up a bearish sequence with a lower low, right? And if you simply measure the extension, potentially we can go to as low as 107 actually, which is the 100% extension. But the 5 waves down, once it's finished, it will finish a leg of the Y. A leg of the Y. Then you got a B in a 3 waves to correct this A. Then you got a C like this. So that's the idea about what we're expecting, and that will be ending possibly in the Y, and then maybe you react higher from there. But if it breaks below here, then that's even more troubling. If it breaks below here, it will be even more bearish. But for now, because we're not really talking about long term, we just simply talk about the A leg here, which is still in progress until we got a 5 waves subdivision completed from this peak. So shorter cycle, therefore expect any rally to fail in 3711 and continues to go down. Okay, so if you want to get more updates on 10-year notes, feel free to check our service. We also cover indices, stocks, Forex, commodities. Feel free to check the trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.